Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So starting on the 8 hour, and as usual, but we're actually going nowhere. We are sideways, we are ranging, and we are forming a series of lower highs here. And the second problem we have is this level. I'm going to just refer to it as a pivot point, but it's not the pivot point indicator, but you can see what I mean. We keep going above and below it. We keep trying to test it. We keep trying to find support, then breaking below, then breaking up. This is a flat bottom triangle formation that is formed, and yeah, it's not, I wouldn't call it a flag at the moment. Oscillators have crossed over, pointing down. They have separated, which would indicate that you're expecting some explosiveness soon to the upside, but this 15,900 or 15,906 is clearly the area that the market has a lot of interest in. Now, just keep a view on the weekly. All these buyers keep coming in here, but we are so oversold, so overbought. We are so overbought here, but yet the buyers keep coming in. So this could be a hanging, not quite a hanging man formation, but often if you just do a bit of homework and you just browse back through time, and you see a lot of times you see this kind of price action where the buyers are coming in, and then all of a sudden there's some kind of catalyst that drives down and then triggers all these buyer stops. And then obviously that just creates an explosive move down. So just keep that in the back of your mind on the weekly. Obviously that's the weekly setup, so you've got to wait 7 days for that to finalize, which is not quite the trading that we're looking to do. If we get down to the 3 hour, this week has really been started high, dropped down, big up. That was a lower high. I'm just going to fine tune my triangle there, and now we're testing this 15,906 area again. And look at us in amongst the moving averages here. This is a squeeze. Whenever you see your moving averages flat like this, I mean, Bull Williams calls it alligator sleeping. So everything here is indicating to some kind of volatility. And at the moment, we are really indecisive on which way we're going to go. So as soon as we start drilling down through the time frames, you start seeing what I'm talking about. So firstly, we had, let's just go back to what was yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday, so let's go back to Tuesday. So, well, Monday we fell. Tuesday we rose. We didn't make a new high, but we got fairly close. And then Wednesday we sold off. Buyers stepped in here with this, gave us a move to the upside, and you can see the structure. We came up to test that break there, hovered around there before selling off again. So for me, if you look at the moving average crossover here, it's been above and below the moving averages while it's sideways, and now we've got them pointing down and crossing over. The only thing that is counting against the move down at the moment is the oscillators. We're extremely oversold on the hour right now. But nevertheless, if we just get to an even lower time frame, you will see that, I just want to see where was the actual close. So the actual close would have been, yeah, 4. No, so the actual close is, we're looking for +3, so that would be around there. So the actual close just lines up with some structure, to be honest. It's in this area here. When I say the actual close, this is the cash market, not the futures market. So that's the actual close. We are gapping down at the moment, so I would expect a retest of that, which would make the most sense. So bounce up, retest this, and break the downside. Or alternatively, we're going to get going with a breakdown, come back, reject this area, and that is going to be opportunities for short. So right now, that is kind of my setup. I am looking for shorts. High time frames, trend is up, but we've got so many signals up there, which is indicating that we are extremely tired. And this is just 74, 100 points. So, this trend line is fairly strong. So even a move up into this area would get me looking for shorts. I don't think I'm looking for longs at the moment. Definitely looking for shorts. And what we're looking for, in all honesty, is a retest of breakouts. Here's the first one. And you can see this one, there's a lot of chaos at this area. That is 15,862. We're definitely looking for that level. We would be looking for that level there, 15,764, which is the bottom of the bigger range. Now remember, when we're looking at the weekly, look at all these weeks of bias. So this is a strong area of support. If we get through that, I would expect a little bit of fireworks, to be honest. I basically would expect us to more than likely come down and test the next bit of structure, which is all the way down here. And there's a gap there. Then you've got to bear in mind there's a gap there, there's a gap there, there's a gap there. So this move up has been really gappy. Anything can happen, but for me, today is a day of shorts. Anyway, if you like it, pop us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, give us a share, and that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.